The world of commerce has changed rapidly. For a typical customer, shopping in a brick-and-mortar store and shopping online aren't two separate experiences. They're part of one seamless shopping journey. But traditional data pools were built for a brick-and-mortar world, a world with a limited set of product attributes and slow-changing data requirements. Brands need the right tools for the job. That's why Salsify's GDSN data pool is purpose-built for the digital shelf. With Salsify, you can manage and syndicate all your data, both supply chain and consumer-facing information, in one unified platform. We enable you to publish to any trading partner, regardless of what data pool they use. This means your teams, IT, marketing, and e-commerce, can work together in one system and draw on one single source of product content, empowering them to operate more efficiently and speed time to market. When it comes to beating your competitors, know what to do next with clear reporting and workflows, empowering you to turn insights into action. Whether you're selling your product in-store, online, or click and collect, it's all commerce, and you need one commerce experience management platform to manage your product experience everywhere you engage with your customers. See the Salsify GDSN data pool in action. Request a demo today.